Hey, this is John Young with Weekend Handyman. Today we're looking at a window AC unit here from Friedrich. This links will be in the description below so you can go check this out. But this is the CCF06A10a. This is a 6,000 BTU window air conditioner, one of the highest efficiency window units out there right now in the market. It is a cool only, so it doesn't have the heat pump in it. It's just for basically cooling a medium-sized room that is, if it's well insulated, maybe a little bit larger room, or if it's poorly insulated, it might be in a smaller room. But it's 6,000 BTU, so it's going to be a little bit bigger than some of the off-the-shelf ones you can find at your local big box store, and it's got some really cool functionality. First off, in this video, I just really wanted to do kind of an unboxing. I took the box off because if you've ever unboxed one of these, it's just a total disaster. Pieces and everything going all over. You have the unit and such, and in this particular case with this unit, it has a really nice long extension, long cord on it, so you'll be able to get to a window pretty easily most of the time, because usually outlets are to the left or the right of the window. It is a GFI type of an outlet, so it will have the ability to pop there instead of blowing your breaker in the wall. I'm just going to set this down because I don't want to, and it's usually wrapped in plastic and such, and I took that off because it doesn't look very good on video. Of course, you have your instruction manual. You've got some padding and such here for depending upon what you need for the installation process. There's a little rail that will mount on the top, and the screws and such are all included for that. And that will allow you to put in the little kit to the little sliders, the spacers on the side of the window air conditioning unit, so you can put this into a variety of different size windows. Now, here's one of the biggest things that a lot of people struggle with when it comes to AC units, especially window AC units, is accurate measurements. 99% of the time, everything on the website is accurate and such, but there's occasionally times where it's not. So I'm going to use my little quick draw. By the way, if you haven't checked these out, quick draw tape measures, they're really kind of cool because you can mark things with them easily. We're going to go, and I'm going to go from edge to edge. Now, because there's a little bit of a bump out here, I want to give you that. So this is the absolute max width is 19 inches wide. So it's max 19 inches wide, and from my tabletop to the very top of the unit is 13 1/8 inch. 13, that's a little under 13 there. And the back is 13 1/4, just from my tabletop to the top of the unit. Obviously, this little rail is going to add more to it. As you can see, it's a little channel for things to slide on. So if you were going to slide it from inside to outside, you would have to be basically, taking into account 13 1/2 inches. If you didn't have 13 1/2 inches of height in your window as you're going out, this will not fit. And again, about 19 inches wide, which can go wider with the wings, depending upon what you need for this. The coolest feature with this, besides being very efficient, and it's really not that heavy of a unit for installation in a window, is that it has Wi-Fi capability. So you can access this, you can connect it to your home Wi-Fi, and you can access this unit via the app and be able to turn this on and off remotely. So if you were like at work and you wanted to come home and you had this kind of in your middle area, the middle room of the house or something, and you wanted to turn it on and kind of drop the temperature a little bit, you can do that with the Wi-Fi app, which is really, really quite convenient to be able to control the AC unit remotely. So if it's at a cabin and you can turn it on as you're coming up on Friday, whatever you need to do, you can handle it with the app. So that's pretty cool. And the unit also comes with a remote control. So you can control this from around the room with the remote control and setting it to being on high, on low, temperature cooling, whatever you want to do, and you can do that with the remote. We're going to get into testing this for wattage and noise and all these different things in the next video. I just want to give you kind of an overview of this unit. You can find this at the link below. It's online somewhere, and just under $300 for this particular unit. But you're getting a lot more with this than you are with some of the other units out there. And again, that's going to be a head-to-head video you're going to be able to check out on our channel at Weekend Handyman. This is John Young from Weekend Handyman. Thanks for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.